Porsche reignites combustion engine development amid EV slowdown. Porsche shifting gears. After years of pushing electrification, the German marque has announced a renewed focus on combustion engines and plug-in hybrids. Responding to evolving market demands, the move comes as sales of fully electric models, particularly in China, have fallen short of expectations, forcing Porsche to reassess its strategy. The company will invest €800 million into expanding its internal combustion engine and hybrid offerings, a significant financial commitment in an era where many manufacturers are doubling down on electrification. The decision signals a growing recognition that a one-size-fits-all EV approach is not meeting customer preferences, especially in key markets where infrastructure challenges and range anxiety persist. Market reaction and financial impact. The recent financial announcement was met with immediate investor concern.
We were highly profitable and remain financially robust,
with Porsche stock dropping 6% following the news. Profit margins are now projected to be between 10 and 12% for the year, a considerable dip from the brand's long-term 20% target. The company's also faced internal turbulence, with reports of discussions around departures of CFO and head of sales. Insiders suggest that leadership shakeup stems from strategic disagreements over Porsche's EV trajectory and its financial performance. The China factor. China, a key battleground for Porsche, has proven particularly challenging. Sales in the region plummeted 28% last year, largely due to lackluster demand for the all-electric Taycan. With an increasingly competitive EV market dominated by domestic brands, Porsche's premium positioning has struggled to gain traction. The pivot back to combustion engines could be an effort to regain lost ground, especially as hybrid technology remains an attractive option for customers not ready to go full electric. And what's the industry response? Analysts have welcomed Porsche's recalibration, despite the associated costs. Deutsche Bank noted that adapting to the new normal, with ICE models playing a larger role, is a necessary adjustment, particularly in light of declining volumes in China. The shift also aligns Porsche with other high-performance brands that continue to see demand for traditional engine technology. Balancing heritage and innovation, Porsche's decision to lean back into combustion technology doesn't signal a retreat from innovation. Rather, it underscores the brand's commitment to delivering what enthusiasts and customers actually want: engaging, high-performance driving experiences. With hybrid technology advancing rapidly, Porsche has the opportunity to refine its offering, blending efficiency with the emotion of traditional performance engines. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, Porsche's move highlights an industry-wide reality. The transition to electric mobility is not a linear path. Consumer preferences, market conditions, and regulatory landscapes all play a role in shaping the future. For now, it seems that the roar of a Porsche engine will remain a defining feature of the brand. At least for the foreseeable future. I'm Lee from Duck and Whale. Thanks for tuning in. I'll speak to you soon.